Good evening, everyone. This is Alok, and I am here to guide you about Kedarnath Temple. What its roadmap and how we can easily our patience and our type of we can compete. We are competing toward our roadmap. How we can enjoy our adventure toward Kedarnath easily, because it is a hard for some old guys and some teenagers who are literally not well towards 16 kilometers. So let's start. Reaching the base camp. But the first is reaching the base camp. There are three main tips, like starting from Haridwar to Sonprayag. It is about 210 kilometers of distance. But if you are taking taxi or something, it will take less time. But if you are hiring a fast traveling like train or buses, their routes are different. It will take such less time to go at that particular place. After Sonprayag, you have to go Sonprayag to Gaurikund. It is the basic thing you have to face if you are taking any route. But why I am saying this, it is about 5 kilometer of distance. And if you are going with a private vehicle, it is not allowed there. You have to pursue a taxi or something relatable things like horse riding, something that are relatable to what that place. Sharing, sharing, sharing. The third is registration. Registration for your health benefits, like taking less risk in your health, is important to register with before going to Gaurikund to Kedarnath, because it's the basic thing. If you are going toward up to the hills, you have to aware about your health and about your documents, because if there is a case, I think you will not supposed to get it into it, but I think if you will get, then you have to do some mandatory things like biometric yatra. We mainly call it biometric yatra registration. Why we called it? Because most of the people who are not able to join the route, they will get support by the registration platform. And if you are pursuing some other platforms for the Yatra, it will make you aware about that place and also get some benefits. Like if you were lost at that place, they will find you at any moment. The Himalaya trek. There are these treks are important if you are traveling. You have to face these six, like Gurukund, Gaurikund to Jungle Chatti, and then Bhimbali, then Lincholi, then Rambara Piti, then Kedarnath. It will take 16 kilometers, and mostly I can say it will take your 6 to 9 hours toward this route if you are taking like on foot. But if you are taking as taxi or some rides, like most of the old peoples, or we can say some teenagers, some babies who are not able to walk, then they choose some rides like roughly it will take 4 to 5 hours to get on the top. After there are four types of things if you are traveling on foot, pony, palki, and helicopter. The helicopter route is for rich persons, and we can't say for rich persons, for old guys also who are not able to walk a lot, and they have to travel it fast on foot. Those people who are a teenager, who are well aware about their walking skills, they can walk easily to 16 kilometers. They used to choose on foot, but it will take 6 to 9 hours, like a day, a half day of your life. Then it will take a pony mule, sorry. It is about some riding skills, like if you are riding a horse, some type of, mostly it looks in Gaurikund because the place is good at that moment. You can see most of the rivers at that place. You can see most of the beautiful places there. After that, Palki, who are relatables like genders who are sacrificing their hairs, like for their for responding to their penalties, they lost their hairs, or with some diseases like they have wearing masks or anything. Most of those person use palki because of their disease. After this, we also discussed about helicopter. Last is the Scars Temple. Its setting. There are four steps of this ancient stone structure. I want to say there is a behind stone structure who saved the temple when the flood going on. That stone saved the structure. That's why we are saying him an ancient stone structure who saved a structural artifact which known as Kedarnath temple. It built a stone temple 12 years ago before. The second is the sandstone. It is about some people who are diverted toward wrong path toward Kedarnath. They are for those peoples. It is a main important thing. Like most of the peoples who are going, Sankar Acharya's Samadhi Shrine stand just behind the temple. It is also behind this temple. But most of the people who don't know about Kedarnath, they mostly visit these places because of some confusions. The surrounding peaks, there are most of the beautiful places surrounding behind it. Like you can see most of the peaks, most of the Himalayas there, most of the ancient structures there. But the Kedarnath only one who is stable there. Like I want to say a monument who is covered like 2 or 3 months with snow. This looks like a benefit to going there. You can visit all the path to work in snowy area in winters in any season, but you can't visit Kedarnath in winters. The main season is about June is not about June to July. It is mainly about February to June and November to December. The last is season of worship. This is about the season of worship. Like you can visit May early November, and if you are facing any type of difficulties, it means you are not well aware about the place. These are the main things you have to carry. But if you are carrying a luggage or a big thing, it will not benefit you. It will harm you for your carrying things. Like if you are carrying a big luggage, it will like make your work harder and harder. That's why some people says best time to go is May, June or September to October. And what to carry? Don't carry luggages and things. Carry small things like backpacks or some easy going things. If you are carrying a luggage, then you have to go firstly Borikund and send it to the hotel manager or something where you looked for that you have to put your luggages there. After this, health altitude. Altitude is beneficial for your old age guys. Like if your great grandfather is going there, then you have to pursue a medicine kit over there. Like most of the basic medicines, like for fever, for stomach pain, for head pain. Most of times you faces difficulty in breathing. That's why it is an important part. The last is travel light. If you are not taking a stick or if you are saying I am teenager, I want take a stick. I would like to choose something different. Like I will choose horse ride or walking areas. But it is not beneficial. You have to walk somewhere. Then you have to take sticks. It will take you a benefit. It will give you a benefit.